Now that we're spending so much time at home, having clean air inside is more important than ever. With a Reme Halo air purifier installed by Fresh Breeze, you can breathe easy knowing that your air is 99% free from viruses, pollen, mold, and volatile organic compounds. It's great for people with allergies, asthma, and compromised immune systems. A whole home in-duct air purification system will leave your indoor air smelling clean and fresh by removing foul bathroom odors and other smells caused by cooking and pets. The powerful UV light and proprietary catalyst material produce negatively charged molecules of hydrogen peroxide that attract microscopic dust, pollen, and mold particles, making them bind together, increasing their size so that the other parts of the air filtration system can collect them. Reme Halo air purifiers installed by Fresh Breeze save energy because the air purifier only comes on when your HVAC system runs and then shuts off automatically. Best of all, Fresh Breeze can install a state-of-the-art ultraviolet whole home in-duct air purifier for hundreds less than the competition. Know that you're doing the best to keep your family healthy and breathing clean air by calling 480-251-1222 or visit us at www.freshbreezeac.com to get your Reme Halo whole home air purifier today.